Hello, my name is Heather Hedden, and I will be teaching the Technology Transfer course, Taxonomy and Metadata Design. Why taxonomies? Well, first, what are taxonomies? Taxonomies are organized structures of terms or concepts, not just words, each with unambiguous meaning so that people know what they're talking about. And they're organized in structures such as hierarchies or sets, so that provides context. The uses of taxonomies have been increasing. At first, it was used for information publishing, such as library vendors or classification schemes used in academic or scientific disciplines. But taxonomies are showing up in more and more places. We see them all over the place for e-commerce websites and other content-rich sites, subscription content services, e-learning, which is growing a lot, intranets and their search refinements, and then all kinds of systems that are content management related, CMSs, digital asset management systems, document management systems, records management, product information management. And more recently, we've been hearing about knowledge graphs, enterprise knowledge graphs, so that large organizations can get information from data that's in different silos or different systems, also with the help of a taxonomy. Now, taxonomies are both relatively simple to create, but they're not so easy to create well. In other words, it's easy to create a bad taxonomy, and that's why I'm teaching this course. So who creates taxonomies? Some large organizations have a taxonomist on staff, and that's great, but most do not. So the task may fall to various different people, different departments, depending on which one is doing more with taxonomies. It could be marketing if it's for the website, IT or human resources for the intranet, technical documentation or publishing departments, or the corporate research librarian, since librarians had studied cataloging and that's sort of related. Well, but often the case for various schemes, such as those systems such as a content management system and variations of it, it's the IT administrators of the content management system who at least start the taxonomy, and that might be you. But none of these people have the basic training in designing a good taxonomy, and that's what this course aims to do. And since it's not that complicated, you can learn it in the 2 half-day sessions. Now, this course also includes metadata, specifically descriptive metadata that's related to taxonomies, because where taxonomies are implemented, so is metadata. And content management systems, digital asset management systems, and various other of these systems. So the two, taxonomies and metadata, are designed together. You cannot create taxonomies without considering the larger metadata schema. So let me just give you a couple of points that I'll be talking about. Most importantly, a taxonomy needs to be customized for the set of content, for the particular users, and for the system. There may be constraints in the user interface. So we're always needing to create new taxonomies for new implementations. You can't just use what's out there. Now, a taxonomy, it might seem to resemble a classification scheme like a library classification, but it's not. They're different with different purposes. So you have to take a different mindset. And a taxonomy also should not simply reflect a navigation scheme of menus. So that's just a few points there, and I look forward to telling you a lot more about how to create good taxonomies in my course, Taxonomy and Metadata Design. Hope to see you there.